How can the exponential expression 3 raised to the 6/5 power be rewritten as a radical expression? So let's begin with this 3 to the 6/5 power and think of another way that we can write that. We could also write that as 3 to the 6th power times 1/5, which becomes 3 to the 6th to the 1/5 power. Now I can determine that 3/6 is my base, so this 3 to the 6th power is my base in the radical form. So we have 3 to the 6th, and this 1/5, remember that the denominator right here of 5 is the root. So we would have the 5th root of 3 to the 6th power. How can the radical expression the 8th root of a to the c power be rewritten as an exponential expression? So let's recall that the root over here on the left of the radical sign, and a would be the base, and this c is an exponent. So this is in radical form, and let's write that in exponent form. So in exponent form, we would have, let me go ahead and write exponent form. We would have our base, so a, which is our base, raised to the exponent in the numerator over the root in the denominator. So c is our exponent here. So the 8th root of a to the c power in equivalent exponent form would be a to the c in the numerator over 8 in the denominator. Evaluate the expression, the 8th root of 4 to the 10th power. Round your answer to the nearest thousandth. So let's rewrite this. We have 8th root of 4 to the 10th power. So let's take 4 to the 10th power, put that into our calculator. It's equivalent to 1,048,576. Let's go ahead and substitute this in for the radicand. So we would have the 8th root of 1,048,576, which is equivalent to 5.657. A town's population is decreasing. The population in the year 2000 was 4,000, and the population t years after the year 2000 can be found by using the function f of t is equal to the product of 4,000 and 0.96 raised to the t power. What was the town's approximate population 2.5 years after the year 2000? Let's begin by writing the function. So we have f of t is equivalent to 4,000 multiplied by 0.96 to the t power. Now we are asked 2.5 years after the year 2000, so t is equivalent to 2.5. So we're going to take the function of 2.5, which is equivalent to 4,000 multiplied by 0.96 raised to the 2.5, substituting that in for t. And that would be approximately 3,612 people.